What's up,
What's up, guys?
guys?
We're gonna do a Lego Speed Champions Ferrari.
Yep.
So cool.
Yeah.
It's $10.
It's pretty cheap. It looks pretty cool.
It's realistic.
Yep. So we're just gonna be doing that.
And then this guy, he looks like that.
Yep.
So let's get started.
Alright. So
We're gonna start.
this
One
is
set.
basically the card, like under it. If you can see. We kind of started over because last night I did it, but we messed up. So we're just gonna do it again.
Oh no, that was you, buddy.
Yeah, I did. Basically.
It's kind of this is pretty hard. No wonder why it's
yeah,
like $15 or something.
It said it was 7+.
7 and up.
Yeah.
And he's only like 13, huh?
Yep. And that's pretty hard.
No, I can do it. I'm 11.
You're 11? Oh, yeah.
I'm trying to bet I can do it. This
I know.
doesn't look hard.
And we have other couple of Legos, but he already did it last night. So.
In like 1 second. I'm just kidding.
So, are you just going to keep it like this?
Yeah, because I can't take that out, or else I'm gonna break my nail and all the blood's gonna be coming out. That hurts, and I really. Cause you have long nails like Freddy Krueger.
I know, that hurts when it's like another nail.
It hurts though. That's one thing I hate. I have a piece that does the work for you, but I don't know where it is.
I know. Oh, they don't put it in there anymore.
Yeah. You have to
Do you
buy
guys
it.
remember the yellow, like the orange thing? It's like a little tube for the Legos.
It just takes the pieces apart for you.
Yeah.
Instead of you just sitting for like 1,000 hours and like waiting to take it off, like what he's doing right now. And you don't have to.
Is this like the first part of it?
And you don't have to say.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna be doing half. We're doing this first because it's the first one. So this is a people. Okay.
And well, this is the second part, but we're not on that yet. We're on the first one.
Yeah, we might make 2 videos because we don't want you guys to be waiting. But it's just only 2 minutes, so let's see.
Hopefully you guys like this.
Yeah. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Bro, that was the first part. Look, where is it? Anywhere.
That's why I said you wanted to leave it right there.
But you were trying to take it off, right?
Take it
Oh,
off.
where is it?
Let me do the first part. Actually, do you want to do this then?
We could take turns.
You don't want to mess up, do you?
Each.
Here, let me do the hard part.
Just tell me when I mess up. Oh, this is not it. Thank you. Just give me the pieces first right now. Okay, last one. Okay, we're just starting off with the basics. Okay. Justin, thank you, sir. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then this.
I'm tired.
You're tired.
No, I'm just yawning. You forgot the yellow. The low.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Thank you. And then what this is about is that
Turn the page.
each page, like, I'm doing this first, all this first page, and then after I'm done, I'm gonna give it to my brother. So here's your part. Here's blue. And then, do you got the gray part?
Yep, I already have it on.
Okay. Let's go up more over here with
Done.
you. You're done?
Your turn.
No, you could do this.
Okay.
Flat part right here.
You get 6 of these. 1, 2.
You could put it off.
4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this YouTube channel, it might be sort of a vlogging type Lego. Whatever we could think of. So it's not gonna just be Legos. This is just gonna be our first video of this. So we might like pause it for a while and speed it up for you guys. So just enjoy. And we might add music behind it. So enjoy. Okay.
What'd you do with it?
Oh, this part. Oh.
Of course, you take it from me. Of course, why you little shit? Why you little?
And then the person, it could have the hair or no hair.
I think they know that.
Or yeah.
Uh-oh. Here comes our little sister.
So it's pretty cool.
Way ahead of you.
Alright, so we're back.
Hold up, kid. 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 Now you can say you're back. Did you just turn it on?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Of course you did.
It looks the same that I did.
But I'm doing it more carefully.
This is sponsored by FNAF.
And that's whatever.
Alright.
Dude, it was on.
No, it wasn't.
Okay.
See.
Okay. Give me a chill out.
So this is house so far.
I can't see it.
It doesn't look like nothing, but it's very close. So
Sorry, we're going slow.
and then this is like the, I don't know what this is. It's like
It's
the,
probably the front.
yeah, something like that.
Front.
So
Hello, Victor. Oh my god. Someone's screaming.
we're outside, so yeah.
What do you expect? Oh yeah, I know.
Are you done?
Almost. Wait, actually, yeah. I'm a second. Oh my gosh, this is hard. Let me do this one. This is crazy. Oh no.
It's not crazy.
You'll see. It's going to get crazy, son. Alright, son?
Okay.
You're my son. You're my son. Son.
And then later on we'll probably do a drone video. I don't know.
And we'll
Yeah.
put the camera on there. Imagine. That'd be
Oh,
cool.
yeah.
But it's not. It's small, okay, you guys.
Yeah, it's like the size of this rock.
Yeah, a little bigger though.
Yeah?
Tiny bit bigger, yeah.
I don't know, but
Better, yeah, it's just whatever. It's it's
But-
like a little bigger. Just teensy bits of bigger. Okay, this isn't hard, but I just really, I'm excited. Okay, that's why. I just wanted to get it done and over with.
okay. So yeah, this looks pretty hard. I don't know.
It's alright.
And then this is like the rim, like not the rim, but like where the tires are gonna go. So it's pretty big. So,
Oh, it is.
but we will show
Did I mess up or what?
the
Doesn't make sense.
car after if we
Whoops,
finish
forgot.
by today. We're only in 10 minutes right now, so let's just get, we might be quiet some parts.
And then we'll have some music and
Yeah.
jam out like heck. Like crazy. With my brother. With my little brother. That's how I feel with my little brother. I always wanted to say that. Hang out with my little brother.
No,
Yeah, he's the little brother. I'm 13 and he's 11.
you're 11.
No? No, I'm not. You are.
Where's the person?
It's right here. You want to hang out with him? You want to party with him? Jam out? Okay, this is so good so far.
Oh god. So this is how. Whoa, this is big. This is how the car's gonna look. Looks kind of buff.
Looks like freaking, oh, a bodybuilder. Bob the Builder, that's what it looks like.
You know.
Oh, I wish I had some coffee right now. You want to do this part? This one's easy. It's not bad.
19.
Hey, let me get the pieces for you.
I haven't been this far with
This is
that.
cool. I like how it looks.
Right here.
Yeah. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Where the wheels are. And then let me give you 2 black pieces. The yellow. The yellow. And
So it's getting together. Look. Look at the camera. We're like not even halfway, basically. So.
hurry! Everything's forever. Let me see it. Dang, that's 2 of these things.
Wait, hold up. It's 4.
Really, there's 2
It's
of
4.
these. Wait, you
So
said
right
4?
here. Yeah. You got the full one, yeah. Okay.
Wait, let me see.
118.
I'm Grabby. Mr. McGraw.
Bro, are you doing it now?
No, I'm just checking it out.
Okay.
Oh, wait, let me do the yellow one. Can I?
Can I do the other one?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
And
Okay.
this one, I'll do this one. And
So-
then,
We're just gonna let you look at it every time.
look, we do this. Oh, that's hard as heck.
Do it, you don't need a shirt.
Okay. How does he want me to do it? Okay. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And then we'll be right back with the video. We're gonna finish the other end, alright? We're gonna pause it. Alright? This is how it's gonna look. Then we're gonna pause it, and then it will turn into this. Something big.
So this and
Okay, I paused it.
no, you didn't.
Yeah, I